Write a letter to your father requesting him to increase your monthly allowance. First write examination hall, city, ABC, date, my dear father. I am glad to send you my present progress report in studies, which is self explanatory. My teachers are extremely pleased with the pace which I have striven hard. They have given me good number of advice for further progress, particularly in those subjects in which I am comparatively weak. They have recommended a few books on these subjects, including English, which are most likely to improve my knowledge. Reference to recommendations of books by my teachers and especially rising prices of articles, I find myself rather unable to meet the daily expense within the monthly allowance. Besides the soaring prices, I have to consult a larger number of books and have to purchase a good number of exercise books and other writing materials. In view of the above facts, I request you to increase my monthly allowance by at least 10,000 rupees. It will enable me to go through all the affairs in a satisfactory manner. Thanking you, yours affectionately, XYZ. If you like this letter, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.